Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's tap on the wallpaper. We should be on the general section. Now let's tap on this set home screen wallpaper. As you can see, you can check the preview of both log and home screens. So let's simply tap on this option, and as you can see here, we've got 3 different sections of the wallpapers, and here we've got pre-installed static options. We've got also live wallpapers, which are animated ones, and more. Here you can find your gallery and of course set your own photo as a wallpaper. But let me actually pick the wallpapers, and here we've got quite a lot of pretty options from which we can choose, and basically all you have to do in order to check the preview is to tap on it. So let me pick those stones, and here in this fixed section, fixed option, we can change the position of this rectangle. Basically, we can frame the wallpaper, so we can decide which part of it will be applied as a home screen. Of course, we can make it scrollable, which simply means that everything will be applied and it will change whenever you will change the page of the home screen. It's up to you, of course, which option you want to use. I will pick the fixed option, and here, as you can see, you've got also the previews of other wallpapers, so you don't have to go back, just change it by swiping. And after deciding that you want to set this particular wallpaper, simply tap on set wallpaper, of course. And as you can see, we've got the preview, it changed, so we can go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.